So for this, I think I'm gonna go ahead and do some oregano. This may increase the probability of him eating this. So I'll hit it with a dash of this, and I'll get my pepper from this beautiful thing because now I don't have to go hunt and find for it. So, and then this has salt in it also, so it'll probably be just right on the salt content. You know, with the chicken breast, you know how it is. It's kind of like a little dry always. So I add the peppers and the onions to increase the moisture inside. So we'll be back after I chop all the vegetables. Okay, so I got my onions and peppers chopped up here. So I'm gonna go ahead and dress this side of it. But first, I'm gonna add some olive oil to make it, to give it a little oil factor, so it can get a little color while it's cooking. So I'm just gonna drop maybe like 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and then I'm just gonna put this on the side. And sometimes I do lift up the chicken just to like make sure it's like sitting on the bed of the onions to get more of that flavor in there. I always think that's a good idea. So I'll do that. Just give it a little lift. Some of that fall in. So it's really getting all of that flavor. So now I have the bed of onions, peppers, and now I'm gonna move on to my carrots. But before I do that, I'll go ahead and add. Now I'm using frozen broccoli florets, and I'll just go ahead and put a few on the side here. Because this is a one-pot dish, so everything is gonna be in this one. And we're gonna cover it. And I got the broccoli in there. Just trying not to have any gaps. Okay. Now I need to peel the carrots and chop them up and then add them on the side. the vegetables and everything together, I need to season this. So what I'm going to do now is take the same anything seasoning and season up the vegetables and add some olive oil. And I'm gonna bake this at 400 for 1 hour because I want the meat to fall apart. So now I'm just gonna add, I'm gonna do like old school splashes, like Emerald Lagasse, bam. Shout out to him. I hope he's well. God bless him. He gave us some good TV all those great years. Okay, so this is all set. I'm going to go in uncovered for 30 minutes, then cover for 30 minutes. I'll come back halfway through with an update. Love you. See you second. Bye. Okay, so we are back and I have completed our meal. It looks fabulous, guys. So I'm going to give you a peek. It is all done. Voila! It looks beautiful. I hope you're getting a good image. So few things about this. Few things about this that I did do different. So I did go ahead and add water inside the pan as I was cooking, and then I also added a little bit of more oil on top because it was looking so dry. And one thing I hate about chicken breasts is how dry they can be. This is seasoned to the gods, herbs and spices everywhere. So I will give it a try and I will let you know how it goes. Have a beautiful day. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.